Okay, magandang araw po guys. No, ito naman pong kaibigan niyo si Jake. Sa video natin ngayon, showbiz naman tayo for a change sa puros ng corruption baha. Gerald and Julia hiwalay na. Ito po ang hindi naman ako nagtaka no kasi Gerald has so many previous relationship. Gwapo kasi at saka medyo palikero din ito no. Playboy. And Julia Barreto, meron din mga previous relationship. Ito naman tagal sa dito kay Gerald, no? Pag-usapan natin guys, kung bago lang kayo sa channel ko at gusto nyo ang video natin, paki-like lang po, share, and huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe. Ayon po sa balita ng Star Magic, ito po ay isang talent agency ng ABS-CBN has announced that Gerald Anderson and Julia Barreto have mutually decided to end their relationship. Star Magic confirms that Gerald Anderson and Julia Barreto have mutually decided to end their relationship. We request the public to respect their decision and refrain from spreading false narratives. Gerald and Julia are grateful for their fans and friends for the love and support, the official statement reads. Well, ganito talaga no, kahit hindi naman showbiz ang paghiwalay ng magkasintahan, hindi natin masasabi ito na abnormal, kundi normal lang, especially hindi na kayo nagkakaintindihan, may kasalanan po ang isa or whatever reason, we have to respect na lang guys, no? So we will not speculate things out, pero alam ko siguro si Gerald mayroon naman tong bago, si Julia may dinedate naman. So ganito talagang buhay showbiz, no? Relationship come and go. At least, no, nag-enjoy silang dalawa. Parental guidance, hindi ako magdagdag ng iba, pero alam naman natin na matagal din silang nagsama. They both happy, but sometimes happiness has its end, no? Nothing lasts forever. Yun pong always I'm thinking in my mind, no? Kahit sa anong bagay, no? May katapusan, may simula, may katapusan, no? Yun talaga ang reality. Itong sabi ng isa, okay, back to flood control. Bea is giving an enigmatic Mona Lisa smile as this topic passes by on her feed. In the movie, a relationship that started in chaos will end in chaos. Alam nyo guys, no, depende sa sitwasyon. No? Hindi natin masasabi, may mga circumstansya eh. Good news, Julia is too young and pretty for Budoy. B. Alonso is laughing out loud. How you got the man is how you gonna lose him. Nothing lasts forever. We can change the future. Tama naman. Yun nga ang sinasabi ko, nothing lasts forever. Bad boy ka, Gerald. Kailan ka pa titino? Hi. Because Gerald is done with her. What's new? Yes. The next shampoo endorser. I expect the Gerald and Kim, I think, are destined to each other. Diyos ko. Problemahin yung flood control project. Yun na po guys, kayo na lang bahala kung ano idagdag nyo dito, no? Medyo marami ng problema talaga ang Pilipinas, dagdagan pa nito ng paghiwalayan ng dalawa, no? Sa akin lang, bahala kayo dyan, no? Sa love life nyo, kayo na lang bahala mag-fix or mag-move on. Yun na po guys, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood at suporta. Please like, share, and huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe. Maraming salamat no, sa inyong panonood at suporta sa akin guys. Kung wala kayo, wala din ako dito. Ito naman po ang friend nyo si Jake Pomperada. Kita-kita po tayo sa sunod na video guys. I love you all. Ingat po tayo lagi.